Can you make it again? Wow.
So yeah, if you hear that while we're flying, we're getting close to stalling. Doesn't mean you stalled, it just means you're getting close.
Yeah.
Ailerons, this is what controls roll. And if it comes from back here, you can see like, well, this one is down, down is up, and down the way around. So when this one's up, that one's down, so the plane kind of banks
Oh.
and turns. Underneath,
Cool.
we just make sure the weights are here,
Yeah.
the bolts, and then the connector down here, and the bolts, nothing is missing.
Yeah.
And then kind of put it back normally, flaps, they're attached, and the rod is good. Check the cargo door, all good, nothing not gonna open. First aid kit's in there, so if something happens to us, just letting you guys know, Anna, you're the one in charge of it. Make sure the top of the wing is good.
I'll watch for wings.
The GPS on top here, this is not the GPS, but the radio. Make sure they're all there. This rubber here is because the wheel will like spew up some rocks and stuff, and you'll be hitting the rubber, so it's not damaging the actual wing. The elevator, this is how we go up and down. So make sure they were both kind of connected. There's bolts, and there's nothing in this hole.
Yeah.
Then here we just check the wires, make sure they have tension, and then we check for the rudder, because this is kind of goes, the rudder controls this side,
Left,
the
right.
edge controls up and down,
Yeah.
and the roll banks. So again on this side, make sure that all the bolts are here, and on this side you see there is this small control surface.
Yeah.
This is the trim tab. All it does, it relieves pressure from when I'm flying, so I don't have to hold the yoke like this, just fly straight. I can, relieve the pressure. And this one goes up and down as well.
Cool.
So again, make sure everything's good. Rudder all good.
Skyhawk.
Yeah, that's the name of the plane technically, but the registration is Foxtrot Tango Papa Quebec, so TPQ.
TPQ.
Antenna, this is the ELT antenna, so let's say we crash, this will be transmitting information. The ELT, emergency locator transmitter, is inside the plane there. There's no black box, but that's how they find us. Again, make sure the flaps are good. Ailerons, good, good, good. And just make sure nothing's cracked up and broken and damaged. This here is cabin air. So air goes in there, it filters and just goes straight into the cabin. And then while on this side we check for the oil. Oil is good. And we'll close it up. Don't close this one yet because we'll need to check the fuel. Make sure the propeller doesn't have no cracks and gonna fall apart. And no birds are inside the
Birds?
engine.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
because
what I was going to ask. How
They're-
often
they're-
birds gotten in it?
Once in a while.
if the plane's parked for a while, birds actually go in there and make a nest.
Ah.
So that's kind of danger to it.
Okay.
And then here we're checking if there's water in the fuel, because the fuel is ethanol based, so it's alcohol.
Yeah.
So it's lighter than water, so water should be on the bottom and like bubbles. There's nothing in there, so it means it's good. It's gonna evaporate. It's all good.
Yeah.
And the points where I'm checking is the lowest points of the fuel system. So if there is water, that's where you'll be going. So there's two, one per fuel tank and one for the main.
Cool.
So again, there's no water here, and it's kind of a bluish color.
Yeah.
Just
One drink it.
And then finally here, as you can see, just a nice blue color,
Yeah.
nothing
Yeah.
to see, so it's all good. Okay. Now we actually check how much the fuel is inside of the plane. Take the dipstick. So there's 9 gallons in here. and there's 10 gallons in this side. So that means we have 19 gallons, and the plane burns about 6 gallons per hour. So we have just over 3 hours of flight.
Okay.
So the hour flight that we're doing today, it's gonna be all good. I gotta go in, do some of the paperwork.
Okay.
If you guys wanna start getting